The goal of this video is to find the answer to this question. 120 plus 20 equals 140, and 140 divided by 2 equals 70, and the result of the parentheses is 6 minus 3 equals 3, and finally 70 times 3 equals 210. But this answer is completely wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math, from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents, like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way, you just finish them up from left to right. In this expression, we have addition, division, multiplication, parentheses, and subtraction inside the parentheses. According to PEMDAS, we must first solve inside the parentheses. So 6 minus 3 equals 3, and the expression becomes 120 plus 20 divided by 2 times 3. After the parentheses, it's time for multiplication and division, which must be solved from left to right. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10, then 10 times 3 equals 30, and finally it's time for addition. 120 plus 30 equals 150. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for your support.